What if I told you that some Shopify stores are generating thousands of dollars every single month from products that most sellers completely overlook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 Shopify products that are performing so well right now in August, and everything backed by sales data and real profit calculations. We'll analyze how many units these products sold, how much profit the stores are making, and where they're sourcing their products from, and also why buyers are purchasing them right now. So make sure you stay until the end. One of the last products on this list is generating around $40 profit per sale and has huge potential going into Q4. Let's not waste time. Let's jump straight right. The first product, this one right here, is the pet hair remover roller. Look at this video. It's quite simple video, right? And this is a very, say, strategic product for any pet owner. And right now is actually one of the best times to sell it because many pets are shedding their fur due to what? Seasonal and weather changes. And honestly, this is exactly the type of product that solves a real problem for pet owners, okay? Now, I was able to find this German dropshipping store right here, okay? And they're selling this product here for 19 euros and 95 cents, which is around $22.76. Now, in order for me to understand whether this product is actually selling well and to base my product selection on real data rather than just guesswork, I can use a tool that reveals both product sales and overall Shopify store performance. So for this, I'm going to use the Zig store sales tracker. So let me show you. By the way, I used this method, this workflow in all the products of this video. All right. So I'll do once so you can follow up how it is. All right. So look, so basically come here, you copy the store URL like this, and then you go to Zig, then you paste it like this. And then I'm just going to click search. Now I get a complete analysis of the store, including its performance and the best selling products. And look at that. Here, I can already see the exact product that we just looked at. And I can see that it sold 159 times in the last 30 days. Look, this is a very strong signal that this product is worth considering for any pet niche or general dropshipping store. From here, I can source the product very easily just by clicking here on the AliExpress button. You see that? Let it load a little bit and look at this. I can see multiple exact matches all there for you. All right, so let's go with this one right here. Let me open for you. Boom. The first thing that I noticed is that this is actually a very good supplier. Look at the product rating, right? And look at the number of reviews right there. Well, this is critical information because sourcing from highly rated suppliers usually leads to happier customers and more repeat purchases, okay? So when it comes down to the sourcing price, the product costs only $13.15 with free shipping included, okay? Let's just calculate the profit together, okay? So the selling price is $22.76. The Shopify fees is 2.9% plus 30 cents, okay? So that's a total of 96 cents. AliExpress sourcing price is $13.15, including shipping. That means this dropshipping store is making around $8.65 profit per sale. Now, by selling 159 units in the past 30 days, that comes down to around $1,375 in monthly profit after Shopify fees. Like, honestly, this is exactly the type of product that I like to use as an add-on product to increase average order value because it has strong market fit, it solves a real problem, and it has consistent demand among pet owners year round, right? The next product is a fantastic TikTok product. So if you're using TikTok to drive traffic to your store, this product is definitely one you should consider. So this is the Pumpkin Night Light. Look, if you want to catch early Halloween shoppers a few weeks from now, this product is in even better opportunity, I would say. In fact, this could easily become one of the breakout products for Halloween 2026. So why not position yourself early and be one of the first sellers to ride the wave before the competition catches on, correct? And now I was able to find this dropshipping store right here, all right, Ducky Lay, and they're selling this cute pumpkin light right here, night light for $32, okay? $32 is not bad. And honestly, like I really like the website. I like how they present the product on the product page. They use a simple GIF that, immediately demonstrates how the product works, like in action. It's quite simple. So within just a couple of seconds, you go in the website, just a few seconds like that, buyers can understand exactly what the product does, how it looks, and how they might want to buy it, right? So this is a very smart approach that can significantly improve conversion rates. I always recommend GIFs in the websites. Anyway, so after I scanned this dropshipping store using Zig Store Sales Tracker, I was able to see that this product was sold 64 times in the past 30 days, okay? And then when it comes out to sourcing, I did the same process and I found this right here. Look at that. So this is the exact same product on AliExpress for only $8.84 with free shipping. So this means that this store is making around $22 profit per sale. So, and with 64 sales in the past 30 days, we're talking about around $1,400 in monthly profit from this product alone. And honestly, I believe this number could easily become, 6 or even 7 times higher as we get closer to Halloween 2026, all right? So what do you think about these first 2 products on the list? Like, are you going to try them out? Let me know in the comments below if you will. And if you're finding this video useful so far, don't forget to, just smash the like button, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this one, okay? And again, if you're thinking about starting or upgrading your Shopify business with solid data, you can start using Zig today. All right, let's go. The next product in our list is pretty cool. It's definitely one of the strongest opportunities for August. It's this wireless air compression leg massager. Okay, so this is the video right here. This is an excellent pain relief product. And in general, recovery wellness niche is booming right now, among dropshipping stores. So, and honestly, this product is a great solution for people looking to improve blood circulation, like reduce leg fatigue and just enjoying, like a relaxing massage experience at home. It's that simple. And we deserve that, at the end of the day. Anyway, I was able to find this product in the following Canadian dropshipping store. Check this one out, okay? So this is the type of product that makes more sense to buy as a pair. The store offers both a single unit option and a pair option, okay? And honestly, I think that's a very smart pricing strategy because the single unit sells for $109.99 Canadian dollars, okay? Which is around $77 US dollars. And the pair sells for $189.99, right? Which is around $134 US dollars. And after I scanned the store using Zig Store Sales Tracker, I was able to see that this product sold 44 times, okay? In the last 30 days. And the thing is, for a semi-high ticket product, that's actually a very good demand, all right? So I did the same thing. I found the sourcing like with AliExpress, and look at this, all right? This is the price from AliExpress for the pair, okay? So it means that this store is making around $63 profit per sale after Shopify fees. And then take that times 44 units, from the last 30 days. We're talking about $2,772 in monthly profit. Like, this is an amazing result from a product in a niche that continues to grow in popularity. It's just gonna go up and up and up and up and up and up. The next product can easily become a best seller if you have a dropshipping store focused on fitness and sports products. So this is an adjustable dumbbell. All right, and look at this video. It is pretty cool. The product is basically, it's a great solution for people who want to build muscle and train at home, using adjustable weights, okay? Not only does it save a lot of money compared to, buying like multiple dumbbells and so on. But also it saves huge amount of space at home. And honestly, that combination makes it a fantastic dropshipping product. And I was able to find this product in this following dropshipping store right here, okay? grindworkshop.com, all right? And this is cool, all right? And look at the price. So it's $116.99 or 103 euros and 95 cents, okay? Which I would say it's a very reasonable price for a complete adjustable dumbbell set. And after I scanned the store using the Zig store sales tracker, I was able to find that this product sold 56 times, okay? In 30 days, okay? And then in terms of sourcing, I did the same thing that I showed you in the first product. And I clicked on the little box and look at that. I found this right here in AliExpress. And what I really like about the supplier is that the product ships from the United States. You see that? Not from China. And that's extremely important for larger products like this one because it can significantly reduce the delivery times and just eliminates expensive international shipping costs and so on. So in this case, the product ships locally and includes free shipping, making it a much better sourcing option. And when it comes down to the price, the sourcing cost is only $70.09. That means that the dropshipping store is making around $43 profit per sale times 56 units in the last month. We're talking about $2,408 in monthly profit. This is an excellent result for a product in the fitness niche, all right? And one more important thing to remember with products like this one is to always look for local suppliers whenever possible. All right. And for obvious reasons, the product size and weight, all that stuff reduce many problems like reduced costs, shipping times, all that stuff. Okay. The next product is a fairly simple one, but it has very strong demand during the hotter months of the year. It's this one, over the head earphones. Okay. Check out this video right here. And one of the things I really like about products like this one is the massive audience that they appeal to, okay? Because the demand is so high that even organic TikTok videos can drive a large amount of traffic to your store. And in many cases, you can find headphones that look premium and luxurious while still having a really low sourcing cost, which creates excellent profit margins, right? So I was able to find this model right here in this website, this dropshipping store right here, and it's going for $49.95, okay? And the thing is, when you look at the product, it's very difficult to guess the actual sourcing price, you know what I'm saying? Which is always, it's a good sign, all right? And then I did the same thing with Zig Store Sales Tracker, and I found out that they sold 60 times in the last month. And then I clicked the AliExpress box here, and then check it out. I found the exact same product, and the sourcing price is only $7.49 with free ship. My goodness, this is like incredible margin. It means that this dropshipping store is making around $40 profit per sale after Shopify fees. That's right, $40. My goodness, times 60 units in the last month. That's $2,400 in a monthly profit. Like, my goodness, this is exactly the type of product I like to find, all right? This is one of the most useful and unique products when it comes down to camping and outdoor activities. It's this multifunctional survival watch, okay? And I love it. I'd say that this watch could easily become a perfect gift for anyone who enjoys like camping, hiking, survival activities, all that stuff, And I think, what makes it so appealing is the number of features packed into a single product, Like it has a compass, waterproof protection up to 50 meters, a built-in fire starter, like emergency whistle, thermometer, all that stuff. And I was able to find this niche dropshipping store that specializes in camping products. And they're selling this survival watch for €25.95, which is like $28.99, okay? Very affordable price for a product with so many practical features. So I did the same thing with Zig Store Sales Tracker, and they sold 88 times in the last 30 days. And then I sourced this product in AliExpress, and I was able to find right here, like nearly identical product, okay? And the sourcing price is $18.49 with free ship included. So that's like $10 profit per sale after Shopify fees times 88 units. That's $880 in monthly profit, okay? And it's just beginning. I think, it has a lot of potential during Q4. Okay, because this is exactly the type of product people buy as a gift. So keep your eyes open for that, all right? Okay, so these were the 6 Shopify products that are showing strong demand right now in August, along with the real store selling them, their sales numbers, sourcing options, and estimated profit margins. And as you can see, some of the biggest opportunities aren't necessarily the newest products, okay? They are products that solve real problems, that fit seasonal demand and have strong profit potential, okay? I would love to hear from you. All right, which product from today's list was your favorite and which one you would consider adding to your store? Let me know in the comments below, all right? I appreciate you, all right? Keep moving forward and I'll see you next time.